Come back. Let's start. It's already 6:1. We'll start with neck exercise. Keep the hands at the abdomen. Keep a little distance between the legs. Close the eyes. Exhaling, bend the head down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back, air touching the backbone. Exhaling down. Since we look at the monitors throughout the day, neck exercise every day is really important. So that's why we don't miss the neck exercise in the warm-up. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, slowly bring it forward. Come to center. Now, inhaling, turn head towards the right. Chin and the shoulder should be in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. If you want, you can use the left hand and push the chin a little so that you can stretch a little more. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn to left. Chin and the left shoulder in the same line. You can use the right hand to stretch a little more. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate the head. Chin down, exhaling down. Inhaling, turn to right ear and the right shoulder. Don't lift the shoulder. Try to reach from your right ear. Slowly take it back. Exhaling, turn to left ear and the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left ear and the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right ear and the right shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Now we will rotate the shoulders. Both the hands together, forward movement without bending the elbows. Stand straight and then rotate both the hands. Throughout the rotation, elbows should be straight and stretched. Similarly, reverse. Now, place the palms on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Join the elbows at the top, very close to the forehead. Slowly bring them down by joining and leave it. Again, join them at the top, bring them down and leave it. Now join them at the bottom, bring them up and then leave it. Relax. Keep the hands straight, both the hands forward. Exhaling, bring the elbows back and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Lock the elbows at the front. Don't take them up back. Relax. Keep the little distance between the legs. Hands at the waistline. Rotate the abdomen. Only abdomen should get rotated clockwise 3 times. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Now we will do one more warm-up which will help later stage. Keep more distance between the legs. Now keep the hands in 180 degrees. Turn the right leg towards the right. Exhaling, bend the right knee. Keep the left knee very straight and stretched. Bend as much as you can, but keep hands in 180 degrees. Look towards your right hand, palm. Inhaling, slowly come back. Now, normalize the right leg. Now turn left leg, left feet towards the left. Again, exhaling, slowly bend the left knee towards forward, and right leg should be straight and stretched. Look towards your left hand. Inhaling, slowly come back. Normalize your legs. Keep both the hands straight forward. Legs very close. Without opening knees, try to sit as much as you can, but don't open the knees. If you can come to only half, that's also fine, but be there for some time. If you can sit completely, stay there for some time. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Again, do one more time. Exhaling, slowly go down, and then slowly come back while inhaling. Normalize the hands. Now keep both the palms on the knees. Bend knees forward. Hold for a few seconds and then straight them back. Again, do it. Now rotate knees clockwise without lifting heels. Similarly, anti-clockwise 3 times. Normalize. Now try to do jogging. When you do a jogging, see if the heels are touching your hips and count the number of times it is reaching. Relax. Sit on the asana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward. Palms on the knees. Exhaling, bend forward and see the hands are surpassing the toes. Forehead coming towards the knees while exhaling. Whatever maximum you can do, just try. Come back. Now fold the right leg, bring it very close to Jangha and send it back. Gently lift and bring it close and send it back. Now place the ankle on the left knee. Try to hit the right knee on the floor. Look straight, backbone straight. Catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Try to lift towards the chest and send it back. hold the toes with left hand and try to pull very close and send it back. Straighten the leg and pull towards you. Now try to lift the toes and bring it very close to the left ear, whatever maximum, but don't bend the head. Slowly take it back, normalize the leg. We will do all this with the left leg. Fold it, bring it very close to the Jangha Mool, send it back. Do it 3 times. Now place the left ankle on the right knee. Try to hit left knee on the floor. Now hold the knee with both the hands, bring it close to the chest and send it back. All these will help to sit in Padmasana. Now hold the toes with right hand. Try to bring it close and send the leg back. Straighten it and bring it close and send it 3 times. Now hold the toes, bring it close to the right ear without bending the head. Slowly take it back, straighten the legs. Now sit in Padmasana, fold the right leg, place the heel very close to the right side of the navel. Now fold the left leg, place it on top of the right leg. See, there is very minimum gap between 2 heels, both the knees on the floor, hands in Jnana Mudra, thumb and index finger gently touching each other, remaining 3 fingers looking towards the ground. Eyes gently closed. Happy dispersion of the mind on the face. Normalize the breath. Completely exhale. See the root of the navel. You pull deep inside and place it on the backbone inside. And start inhaling. Inhale slowly but gently up to the throat. Apply Moolban. Pulling the perineal muscles is Moolban. Release Moolban and again exhale. Exhale completely. Pull the navel deep inside and place the root of the navel on the backbone and again apply Moolban. Release Moolban and start inhaling. This will normalize your breath. Now we will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri mantra. 1:1 ratio. Mahamantra Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open the eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, get up. We will do Garudasana today before we go for Surya Namaskar. Stand straight, legs together. Garuda means eagle, which will have a lot of focus and concentration. So if you do this, it will improve the concentration. So first, right leg on top of the left leg. The knees should be joining, thighs one on top of the other, and try to twist. Similarly, keep the left hand straight and twist the right hand around it and join both the palms and place in front of the nose, and look at the Namaskar Mudra, or the joining the palms. So look at them. The sciatica problem will go away, and if you have arthritis, this will help. The nerves will be active, focus will be improved, the concentration will increase, the memory power will increase. There are so many benefits. Slowly, while exhaling, relax. Now, the other side, keep the right leg straight. Now, twist the left leg over the right leg. Now, keep the right hand straight and twist the left hand on top of the right hand and join both the palms and place it in front of the nose. Look at the thumbs and try to press right thigh with left thigh and normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly relax, normalize the hands. Now we will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving 2/3 behind. Heels together, toes apart, hands along with the body. First, come to the Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Place thumbs at the root of the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the ground. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke Sun God. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Shoulders should be very close to the ears. Normalize your breath. Now inhaling, bend your neck and the head a little back. Hands should go to the extent ears go. Look forward. Don't bend back too much. If you have a cervical problem, don't do this. Exhaling, bend forward. If you have a backache, don't bend forward. Hands should come along with the ears. Try to place both the palms on the floor beside the feet. Forehead towards the knees. If you cannot place the palms on the floor, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Concentration at Manipur Chakra behind the navel on the backbone. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Toes in erect position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Left leg between two hands in 90 degrees. Entire palm on the floor. Chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra between first and second vertebrae. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs, both the feet. Try to place heels on the floor, chin at the throat cavity. Lift yourself up and then go back. Concentration at the Sahasrara Chakra, at the crown of the head. The bad blood will gush towards the heart for purification and good blood will go to the brain. The oxygen will go to the brain. Inhaling, come parallel to the floor without bending the knees or the elbows. incline position. Entire weight on the palms and the toes. First, place the knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor. The navel should not touch the floor. Lift abdomen a little. Hands very close to the body. Elbows looking up. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart, on the backbone. All 8 limbs surrender to the earth. Due to magnetic effect of the earth, the heart will function better. Inhaling, pushing body forward, lift yourself up, straighten the elbows and bend back, chest forward, head back, from the navel, bend back and concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, tip of the backbone. All abdomen area organs will get toned up, respiratory system will get toned up. If you have a backache, this will help reduce the backache. Exhaling, lift yourself up and go back. Try to place both the heels again on the floor. See, you will get the calf muscles will ache a little, experience it. The sciatica problem will go away if you practice daily. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward in between two hands. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Chest forward, head back, look up. Again, concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra. Exhaling, bring left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees and bend forward. Try to place both the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel and the backbone. Inhaling, taking both the hands along with the ears, slowly lift yourself up and bend back at the cervical. Hands should go to the extent, ears go. And concentration at Visuddhi Chakra, behind the throat on the backbone. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back for 30 seconds for a rest. Relax the entire body. Toes in relaxed position. Hands along with the body. Fingers loose but straight. Palm looking up. Relax the entire body. Normalize your breath. Turning from right, come on to the sitting position. Directly come to Vajrasana, placing both the hands towards the right. Hold both the legs in one go. Come on to the knees. Toes together, heels apart. You can look at me and sit in between. Hands on the knees, elbows very close to the body. Close your eyes. Back and the neck straight. Vajrasana will help improve the digestion. Also, the backbone will become like a diamond. So this is one of the asanas which we can practice after taking the food. Stand up on the knees. we will do Ustrasana, placing both the thumbs on the backbone, join both the thumbs like this and press the spinal at the back, remaining 4 fingers towards the waistline. Throughout this asana, make sure you close your eyes, otherwise you will get dizziness. Now, inhaling, bend back from the tip of your backbone, bend as much as possible, maximum. Once you are comfortable, release both the hands, place it on the sole, not on the heels. Again, straighten the body from knees to the abdomen. It should be straight. Oxygen capacity will increase, rib cage will get toned up. All organs of the abdomen will also get toned up. If you have a backache, this is the asana which will help reduce. Slowly come back and sit on Vajrasana. Now you can open the eyes. Relax. Take 2 inhalations and exhalations so that the breath will be normalized. Now we will do Mandukasana. Place the thumb inside, make it a fist, and place both the hands after making the fist either side of the navel. The root of the thumb should be both the sides towards the navel. Gently press it there. Inhaling, stretch yourself up without lifting the hips from the heels. Exhaling, slowly bend forward without lifting your hips from the heels. It should be on the heels. Completely exhale, you will be able to bend more, but look up. Don't look down, look up. Head should be straight, like a frog. So this will help to place the navel into the original position if it is displaced. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Normalize the breath. Now make a cup of your left hand palm and place it on the navel. Palm should not touch the navel, it should be around the navel. And right hand on top of the left palm. Again gently press it. Even after pressing or the bending forward, palm should not touch the navel. Now inhale, stretch yourself up, and exhaling, bend forward. Exhale completely and bend forward, look up. Even now, your palm should be around the navel, but it should not touch the navel. Gently press it. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, normalize your breath. Lie down on the abdomen, Sithilasana, right side. Right ear on the floor, right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left knee, gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eye, in place of uppercase of L. Both the lung lobes on the floor, shoulders also normal position. Entire body should be very close to the floor. It should not have even air space between you and the asana. This will help normalize high blood pressure. We will do Dhanurasana. Straighten the leg, Hands along with the body. Forehead on the floor. Now fold both the legs. Catch hold of the ankles. All 5 fingers towards the opposite side, towards the wall. Now exhaling, lift the legs a little. Inhaling, lift the head. It's like a bow. Throw away the legs. Entire rib cage will get toned up. Your backache will go away. Now, without reducing the stretch, swing towards front and back. Slowly normalize the breath. Place the legs straight. Sithilasana, left side, Vishrant. Left hand, left leg straight. Right leg, right hand folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eye. In mirror image of the uppercase of L. Both the lung lows on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. This position will normalize the low blood pressure. Taking the right hand under the head, come on to the backbone. We will do Markatasana or Makarasana. Keep both the hands in 180 degrees at the shoulder level. We will do the final stage. When we have enough time, we will do the full Makarasana. Fold both the legs. With the help of the hands, bring the heels very close to the hips. They should join together. Heels should be touching the hips. Again, place both the hands in 180 degrees. Now, inhaling, bend legs towards the right, head towards the left. Left ear on the floor, right knee on the floor, left knee on top of right knee, left heel on top of right heel. Press the right knee with the left knee. Twist yourself in opposite direction. The excess fat at the sides will also go away. And if you have a backache, this will tone up the spinal cord. Normal breathing once you go to the final position. Slowly come to the center while exhaling. Keeping both the hands in 180 degrees. Look at the heels, adjust them. Now, inhaling, turn the legs towards the left, head towards the right, right ear on the floor, left knee on the floor, right knee on top of left knee. Press it. Try to press, increase the press, but don't reduce the twist. Normal breathing. Experience the stretch at the right side. Exhaling, come to the center. Now we'll do Tiryak Makarasana. Keep 1 feet distance between hips and the heels and between two heels. Check the position. Now again, inhale, bend legs towards the right, head towards the left. Now see the left knee is very close to the right heel, or you try to place it on the floor, both the knees on the floor. Twist yourself in opposite direction. In the final position, normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come to the center. Check the position. Again, inhaling, bend the legs towards the left and head towards the right. Right ear on the floor. Right knee on top of the right heel or on the floor, very close to the heel. Twist yourself. And normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back. Straighten the legs. Relax in Savasana.
Press this.
One press.
Mute.
If the mute button isn't red, then that means that he's hearing you.
Then audio, put audio.
Oh, yeah, I put the audio. Do you want the video?
Please go on mute.
Can you press the
Start video.
Toes in the relaxed position. Little toe towards the floor.
I don't know why I can't use the video.
First time you can audio.
No, the audio is good and he can hear you.
Whoever is not on mute, please go on mute. Relax the entire body. Scan the entire body with your mental eye. Scan each and every part of your body. Just relax. As if you are standing next to you, you are watching the entire body by standing beside you. Just recollect all the asanas and relax the entire body and scan with your mental eye as a spectator. Turning from right, come on to the sitting position. Sit in Padmasana. Now try to unmute and we will do Hasyasana. We will laugh aloud together. It will be great if you can unmute yourself and then laugh. Again, you can go for mute after that. Inhaling, laugh aloud. Relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Place the wrist on the knees. Elbows very close to the body. Don't straighten them. Neck and back straight. Look forward. Gently close the eyes. Happy dispersion of the mind on the face. Relax. Now we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Right hand in Pranayam Mudra. Fold first 2 fingers, place it on the root of the thumb and remaining 2 fingers straight. Place the thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril, elbow very close to the body. Open the left nostril. Start inhaling from left nostril very slowly but gently. After complete inhalation, hold the breath inside, apply Mulban. Pulling the perineal muscles inside is the Mulban. And release Mulban. Exhale from right. Exhale completely but slowly. Pull the navel deep inside. Again apply Mulban with external kumbhak. Release Mulban. Start inhaling from right. Slowly but gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Hold for a second. Release Mulban. And exhale from left. Exhale completely. Again apply Mulban. And then release. So this is one round. Let me repeat one more time. Start inhaling from left. Slowly but gently up to the throat. Hold the breath inside and apply Mulban. If anyone have high blood pressure, heart diseases or undergone any operations at the abdomen, don't apply any bandhas or don't hold the breath inside. Just inhale and exhale. Hold the breath inside, apply Mulban, release Mulban and start exhaling from right. Exhale completely. See the root of the navel coming deep inside and placed on the backbone inside. And again apply Mulban. Release Mulban and start inhaling from right. The inhalation and exhalation, even you should not hear the voice when you are inhalation or inhaling or exhaling. And it should be very, very slow. Hold the breath inside, apply Mulban. Release bandhas and then exhale from left. Again, apply Mulban with external kumbhak. Then release. Do it 2 more times.
I actually want to go to hot house but we have hot.
Once you are done, relax. Now we will do Agnisar. Place both the hands on the knees, Chin Mudra. Now, first inhale and then exhale. Hold the breath outside. Pull the navel deep inside. Apply Mulban. holding the breath outside on Mool Bandh, try to contrast and release the navel. Only navel portion should move. Release and then pull navel deep inside. But the breath should be outside. You should not inhale. Till the time you can hold the breath outside, continue this practice, releasing and then contrasting the navel. If you cannot hold the breath, release Mool Bandh, start inhaling slowly but gently up to the throat and again apply Mool Bandh. Release Mool Bandh and then again start exhaling and continue. I will repeat one more time. Inhale first and exhale. Exhale completely. See, the root of the navel is placed on the backbone. Hold the breath outside. Now, Nabi Sanchalan. So, move the navel deep inside and release. Holding the breath outside. One of the best pranayam for abdomen fat. If you cannot hold the breath, release Mool Bandh, start inhaling gently up to the throat, again apply Mool Bandh. Hold for a second, release Mool Bandh and start exhaling again. Continue 2 more times. This is a winter pranayam. This will increase a lot of heat, generate heat inside. Oxygen holding capacity to the lungs will increase. Entire respiratory system will also get toned up. Once you are done, relax. We will do meditation. So before we go to meditation, just an announcement. If if you are not part of the WhatsApp group, in the chat we posted the WhatsApp group link. Please use that link to join the WhatsApp group so that you will get the updates. Also, you can post your feedback or any specific requirements so that we can try to accommodate those in the next class. So relax, hands in Jnana Mudra. We will do meditation. So I will recommend if you can switch off the lights. Everybody, I'll just keep it open so that you can see me. Close the eyes, hands in Jnana Mudra. Happy dispersion of the mind on the face. Relax completely. We will just chant Om with concentration at between 2 eyebrows, Ajna Chakra. Chant internally 50 times. Chant yourself. Entire focus at your Agnya Chakra. Relax. We will chant Om once and then we will do Mrityunjay mantra and then we'll close the session. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this blissful atmosphere for a few seconds. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward. Hold for a second. Relax them. Again stretch forward. Do it 2-3 times. Bend towards the right and left. When it goes to right, try to see if little toe touching the floor without lifting the knees. And rotate clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Bring the heels very close to the Janga Moon. Try to do a butterfly. back and neck straight, and try to see if knees are touching the floor when you are doing. Put little extra effort.